Hi, in this video we're going to be looking at how to calculate the number of moles of a substance that you have when you are given the mass, and in this case we are given the mass of aluminium sulfate as being 85.5 grams. Now what we need to do is find out how many moles that actually represents. The first port of call is to look at the periodic table and to get the masses for the various elements that make up this substance. So you can see the atomic mass for aluminium is 27, the atomic mass for sulfur is 32, and the atomic mass for oxygen is 16, approximately, for all of these. Now, in order to go further with this, we need to look at the actual formula of the compound itself, and you can see that there are two aluminium atoms in the compound. So two aluminium atoms will have a mass of 2 times 27 equal to 54. There are 3 sulfurs, so the sulfur and the oxygen are inside this bracket, which is a 3 at the end of it, which tells us that there are 3 sulfates that make up this particular compound. So 3 sulfates, each sulfate has got 1 sulfur in it. So we've got 3 sulfurs, which is 3 times 32, giving us a mass of 96. Now the oxygen is a bit trickier because we have 3 sulfates, but each sulfate has got 4 oxygens. So in all we have 4 oxygens, 3 sulfates, that's 4 times 3, giving 12 oxygens. And 12 times 16, the atomic mass of oxygen, gives us a number of 192. Now when we add these 3 numbers together, the 54, the 96 and the 192, we get 342 grams. So what that is telling us is that 1 mole of aluminium sulfate is 342 grams. We have a sample of 85.5 grams, which of course is much less. It's a fraction of 342. So we find out what fraction we've got. The number of moles is equal to the mass in grams, which in this case is 85.5, over the mass of 1 mole, which we've just found out is 342. And when we do that in the calculator, we find out that the number of moles is exactly 0.25. Thank you for listening.